Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys, and for your oracle guidance I'll be picking one card from the wisdom guidance. So that will be a general guidance, guys. What it may answer some doubts or questions you have in your mind about your situation, guys. Pisces, so let's start with these cards first, guys. So we have Ace of Stars, the Empress, and Lady of Suns. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, there is a woman who is holding a very important position in your life. It may be your person you love, your mother or a sibling or a friend who is helping you, guiding you with their wisdom, knowledge, and they have very honest, truthful intentions towards you, and they are here to help you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are maybe building on that understanding. You feel really complete with this person you love. You have that sense of completion and you feel nurtured when you are with this person. And maybe you are planning to start a family with this person, have a child with this person, or your person, they are planning to have a child with you. So some kind of a positive progress is what I see, guys, for your relationship or for your career situation. You are, what to say, having that knowledge. Maybe this person is guiding you. They are your mentor in your business. They are giving you suggestions and ideas what needs to be done today to be really skillful and be really, what to say, successful. So they are giving you suggestions what needs to be done today, guys, and you are seeing success today, guys, Pisces, and this person is helping you or you are helping them. It may be vice versa, guys, your energies. And you are maybe beginning a new project or some new path in your career, or maybe in your relationship. You just know what needs to be done. You know the truth behind their words. You have a clear understanding with this person, or you have reached a point where you know clearly what this person means and what they are saying, guys. So you have built this understanding, this beautiful communication with this person, and you are happy, and you are what to say, moving positively in your career or in your personal life, and you are initiating the plans for your future, the goals to be reached, and whatever aspirations you have for yourself, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is your oracle guidance. So we have chaos and conflict. So Pisces, we saw positive energy with the previous cards, but this card is something, it looks like something negative, guys. But you need to understand that in order to enjoy that peaceful day, we must know the harshness of sunlight or harshness of our troubles, guys. So the same way, when we are facing lot of tension in our situation, we need not get scared, because we are going to reach that serene state very soon, guys, that balance and harmony. So this is just before that, so you can rest assured that peace and happiness will unfold once again in our life, and that also very soon. So This storm, this chaos is necessary to remove all that unnecessary things in our life, guys. So you need to let go of that. Learn about yourself, learn what is important for you. And if you use this time constructively, you will have that clarity in your heart what works well for you and what works well for this other person. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who for Pisces. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. Thanks again, guys. Bye, Pisces.